I'm throwing it to
I
me.
know.
Are we keeping the backdrop the same?
Oh, I guess so.
Okay.
I'm already recording. So.
Oh. All right. So welcome back to Vintage Vagabond Vends. My name is Susan. Today we are here with a box from 888 Lots. So we're going to get that unboxed today. We paid, this one was $125.50. That does include shipping. So hopefully we'll get something good. Definitely comment below. You know, as always, let me know what you liked or maybe didn't like. I am going to have Mama Sue in the back checking those prices. Hopefully we make a profit on the box if I can get it open. Oh, without cutting myself. Yeah. There we go. Oh. So, let's see what we got in here today. So, first off, we got a little Batman Top Stadium Club cards. This is going for about $5.60. Oh, we got a cute Bala collection. Dolphins beach towel or towel, 30 by 60 inches. It's got pretty little dolphins on it. So that is going for $13.99. Here we have some kids hangers, 3-pack. They have the little clips on them as well, so you can hang their drawers, their pants. We got 2 of those.
$6.56.
So these are going for $6.56 each. So we got 1, 2, looks like 3 of those actually. All right, so I'm not really sure what this is for. Let me know. It looks like it's like a stand. I don't know. It looks like it's got the little holes on the bottom. Product unknown. What is this? The original Smoke Buddy. Keep your smoke to yourself. It's a little keychain. What do you do with this? Remove travel cap. Place lips on intake, creating a seal. Blow smoke through Smoke Buddy. Enjoy smokeless, odorless, clean air. Free little
Smoke out of the air somehow.
Oh.
It is $16.57.
$16.57, and he has a little free keychain with a Mr. Smoke Buddy keychain. Interesting. All right, next we got AMAZ Clean and Green Water Stain Remover. Scrub pads made from 100% recycled fibers. The Gripper. $12.99. We got some Kenmore vacuum bags. Fits both Q and C sizes. There's 8 bags in here. $24.69. Here we have vinyl letters. Make projects professional.
$7.
All right, so we have 2 of those. They're $7 each. We got little balls, little yellow balls, little pom-poms. 100 yellow craft pom-poms. There's 2 packs of those.
$7.10.
So these are going for about $7 each. This looks like a candle. Light one up today. Sugar Skull Smoke Odor Exterminator Candle.
14.
And this is going for 14. Parasoy blend. We got some more kids hangers. These are suit hangers with the clips. This is 5 of them.
$6.56.
So those are going for about $7. All right, here we have Kenmore vacuum filters. And there's one filter size, and the number or letter is E, F, and then 9.
1073.
1073. So we have 2 of those. Did we make our money back yet?
We are at 163.74.
163.74. Oh, this is nice. This is like a little bathroom caddy for toothbrushes, toothpaste, and a little rinse cup. I like that.
15.
So that one's going for 15. What do we got here? So here we have some floating flower candles. It's a 4-pack. Those are cute.
$9.
And those are going for $9. We got 15-hour votive candles. These are unscented, and there are a dozen in here.
$15.97.
So those are going for about 15. We got some lunch bags, paper bags. There are 50 of them in here.
Not finding them. Oh, there they are. $7.99.
$7.99. Here we have some incense. Satya Natural incense. So box. There's 12 boxes inside.
14.
And those are going for about 14. A little metal sign. 16 by 10 inches. This says swim at your own risk. Lifeguard on beer break. Oh my.
13.
That one is going for 13. Here's a grout brush.
$20.07.
This one's going for about $20. Moon candles outdoor. These are flameless moon candles. And it has the remote control, which has a 20-foot range. And it has a timer on that as well.
$18.99.
These are going for about 19. Ooh, what is this? 10-watt dual head LED grow light. Black edition. Yeah.
It is $23.95.
So this is going for about $24.
Light up your uranium glass.
Yeah, light up my uranium glass. Oh, this is a white marble paper towel holder. So that's going for about $28.50. And we got lots of boxes in here, little boxes. So this is Salvador Dali. I A weird thing? What the heck is this?
It's a weird thing.
Is it an...
But it's
Oh. It's like a person coming out of an egg. Okay. And that's what it looks like. Salvador Dali.
He's a famous artist.
Oh. This figurine is a 3D interpretation of detailed painting by Salvador Dali. Titled Infant. Oh, yeah, I can't pronounce that. I'm not even going to try. Oh, it's at the birth. $47 that one is going for. And it's got its little certificate in there. Gosh. I'm running out of room. All right, so this looks like it is 6 men's watch box. That's really nice. Oh, it's because it's got that on it. Watch box. $16.99. So that one's going for about $17. All right, we got some more boxes and boxes. This says Joseph Studio. Lion and Lamb. Oh, this is so cute. Lion and Lamb, right next to the Christmas tree. That is really cute. Roman.
That is selling for $38.99.
So that one's going for about $39. And we have, this is the last box here. It is another Joseph Studio. Divine Mercy figurine. Let's see if I can get that out. All right, here is the last one. No, this is the last one. So there was one more Joseph Studio.
Okay, that is Jesus Divine Mercy.
Mm-hmm.
And he's selling for $45.
And he is selling for $45. So let me know, definitely in the comments below what you liked best out of this box. What are we looking at a total?
Mommy, you're done? $555.17.
$555.17. Hold on, baby.
You're done?
Minus the price of the box.
Which was, I don't know.
$125.50.
$429.67.
So potential profit of $429.67. So not too bad. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button on your way out if you haven't already. Thank you again all for joining today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you all next time. Have a great day. I went to do a heart and a... Oh, well. Bye.